My name's Eleazar Palma. I am a director, and this is why I create. I think 7th grade was when I first really wanted to create something, because I saw Christopher Nolan films, whether that was Batman or Inception especially, and it was the first time I questioned myself as to, okay, how do they do this? How many actors does it take? How many crew members? Everything about large films started to interest me. That is what got me going, just this curiosity, and eventually that developed into, hey, I can do this. I can actually make things. I listen to a lot of music before I write, just to try to get inspired. A lot of Hans Zimmer or classical music, just old classical music, usually gets the ball rolling as well. The main reason I create is because I have this strong desire to pick up a camera and shoot and direct people and create stories. But I love creating things where my characters are Christians or are Catholics. I can create something compelling or interesting while having a main character or a couple of main characters actually be Christian, be Catholic, live up those values, and not be afraid to show that on screen. The biggest inspiration is definitely, I think, my experiences with my faith, and I think that's the driving force. I see a camera and editing software as just like a vast opportunity to tell someone about Christ or tell someone about a good teaching. If one person gets touched by something I create, for me that means the world. My name is Eleazar Palma, and this is why I create.
I would say the main way that I create is through film. I really like post-production. My favorite part about it is taking what either I've made or what other people have made and kind of turning it into this beautiful thing, because before you put it all together in the edit, you just have bits and pieces of a film, but it comes together in the edit. When you're